The Simpson Strong Tie Quik Drive Project Pro screw driving tool is easy to set up and use. First, attach the driver motor. Pull down on the stabiliser arm until the strap is level with the battery. Then fasten the strap around the battery. Now tighten the stabiliser arm grip. Project Pro works with strips of Quik Drive collated fasteners that are 40 to 65 mm long. Load the yellow strip of fasteners into the auto feed track, arrow first, and then set the driver motor to forward. Then position the nose piece, pull the trigger, and press down smoothly to drive the screw. Check to see that the screw has driven to the proper depth. If you need to make a change, rotate the depth adjustment dial. Then you are ready to drive more screws. To learn more, visit strongtie.com.au.